Press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all latest updates. Press in all. So today we will see how to make chicken pakoda. Let's start the video. Chicken, chopped onion 2, then you can take green chili and red chili powder. Along with this you can take chopped garlic and coriander, dhania patta. This is jeera, Chinese salt or black pepper and haldi powder. और उसके साथ एक egg. All in chicken properly, everything. Then add some tomato sauce, chili sauce and soya sauce. Then add ginger garlic paste, coriander powder and chicken masala or garam masala. Then mix all the ingredients properly with chicken. Then add some chicken color if you want. Add some normal salt and mix up everything properly. And at last add corn flour powder and mix it. Marinate the chicken, put in fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. Then after that you can fry. Now gas is on and heat the oil. In between them you can ready your salad. I ready cucumber, onion and add some black pepper. Now fry chicken pakoda until it's ready. See, chicken pakoda is ready and it's eating time. Gajab. Thanks for watching guys. Please press the bell icon and subscribe and share. Thank you.